Now you would have seen reslicing or reorienting the volume for the entire data set, um, but we can also use reslicing using clipping planes. So what happens when you use clipping planes is the region occupied by the, or the region encompassed by the viewport of the clipping plane, you can use that to save the volume. So whatever you see in the viewport, that part of the volume you can save using the reslicing option in the clipping plane. So let's do that here. So add a clipping plane C and hover over the clipping plane, and let's turn on the viewport and then transfer function here. So middle mouse button, and then let's go to kidney. So we want to, for example, save the kidney, so this kidney here. So I'll rotate that. I'll just change the transfer function so that we just get the kidney, and then we'll increase the thickness. So I've increased the thickness, so let me see here. So this is the part that we have picked up, and let's put instead of perspective orthographic, just to see exactly what region we are selecting. So this is the region that we are selecting. I would like to select the entire kidney, so let me just rotate that here. Let's increase the thickness, and then just reorient your clipping plane from the viewport itself to see exactly the region that you want to capture and the orientation that you want in the final output volume. Okay, so this is the part we are capturing. Yeah, so I think we have captured the entire kidney here. Okay, so once you are in the viewport or on the clipping plane, whichever, basically you have to bring up the clipping plane dialog. So bring up the clip plane dialog and give reslice. So this option is very similar to the one in the for the whole volume. So again, reslice and then subsample or tag. So we don't want to subsample, we'll just give reslice and save the volume as a kidney. We want to save value. It's done. So let's load another instance of Drishti, and let us load the volume that we saved just now. So this is what we had saved, and this is what we see in the viewport, and this is what we have saved. So let me just bring it into so this is the viewport image, and this is the image that we get after we have saved the data or saved that section of the volume. So you can use reslice from within the viewport of say clipping plane, or use clipping planes to to save the subregion of your data that you can see in the viewport for that clipping plane. And we can do similar for paths as well, which we will see in the next video.